we have to use diagram to find measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. We will use here alternate exterior angles theorem. We know that alternate exterior angles are congruent. What it means, alternate exterior angles? Alternate exterior angles are angles which are outside of two lines which cut transversal and on the opposite sides of our transversal. So this is our transversal, this is our two lines, and we know that when these two lines are parallel, then the angles which are outside of these two parallel lines and on the opposite sides of transversal are the same, are congruent in other words. So angles which are outside of our lines is 67 angle, and this angle is outside, and 1 and 2, and opposite sides of our transversal we have to find. So 67 is opposite to 2 angle 2. So the measure of angle 2 is the same like measure of angle of this angle. So this is 67 degrees. So we found measure of angle 2. We just use alternate exterior angles theorem. If two parallel lines are cut by the transversal, then the pairs of alternate exterior angles are congruent. So alternate exterior angles are angles which are outside of these two parallel lines and on the opposite sides. So angle 2 is the same like these angles. We know that this is 67 degrees. So we have measure of angle 2. Now we have to find measure of angle 1. This is straight angle, and the measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 give us 180 degrees. Let me write this, that measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. So we know that measure of angle 2 is 67 degrees. So let me copy this. Measure of angle 1, we have plus 67 degrees is equal 180 degrees. Next, I will move 67 to the right side, and we have that measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees minus 67 degrees. So measure of angle 1 is 113 degrees. So we found measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. This is my solution.